How does the TikTok live match work? Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how does this feature of TikTok works. So for that you must need to go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, search for TikTok and install and update the latest version so that you won't miss out on any new features. And now open your TikTok. Now for this feature you can simply invite someone or someone can invite you on TikTok, and if you're invited then it will be nothing but a live of TikTok, and there will be many fans right there as well, and they will send you a gift, and it is just a competition between two TikTokers and the winner will be awarded if they have more gifts with them, and it is very fun to watch. So within the 5 minutes who will get more gifts will be the victor and other one will lose, and you can just get more subscriber followers and more gifts from this TikTok. So it is also a very much used feature of TikTok as well. So that's how you can use TikTok feature. For that you must be having more than 1,000 followers as well. So yes, that's how you can use it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.